Welcome back with the third puzzle. Hello everyone. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, 10 by 10. In today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 12th, 2023. And I've told you I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So now it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, boys and girls, number 6911. Let me zoom this. Yes, again. Okay, 6911. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 5 ones and 5 O's. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 by 10. Double check. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. 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 We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Oh, so the rest are ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Then. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1 then. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Well. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, oh wait. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 3. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That means these two boxes should be also an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Finish in 6 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.